I'm here with Jim Cramer, who's tracking stock of Herbalife, and interesting on the earnings front, interesting with the FTC development.
I've been waiting for Michael Johnson to be able to come out swinging, waiting for him to have both a good quarter and be able to have good news on the regulatory front. And this was the quarter. They had good growth. Growth is absolutely back. Whether you may think that supplements are a total joke. I don't care. The growth is there. China growth was extraordinary. The most important thing that I thought in terms from this short-selling attack from this guy, Bill Ackman, is that there's, each time they had said that there's a Department of Justice investigation, that's always material. Department of Justice can shut you down, okay? Look at Arthur Andersen. Department of Justice shut them down, giant accounting firm. In the queue, there was no line about Department of Justice. Michael Johnson was then CEO, was asked about what does that mean that the investigation's over? And he said, well, listen, we wouldn't take that line out unless there was change. So material change, no Justice Department, means highly unlikely that a government authority that could shut the company down is going to shut it down since there's no more investigation. Now, there will be an FTC. It's clear they didn't reserve anything, but it could be a $200 million fine. That's nothing for a company with this kind of cash flow. If the FTC sanctions them, then they'll change their practices, but FTC is not criminal, and that's what's important. Criminal is what Ackman needed, okay? He needs to have an entity that can shut it down in order to win, because otherwise the earnings are coming back and it's a very inexpensive stock. And
that means he made a really bad bet if that's the case.
Well, look, Ackman is a guy who augments his bet. So there was a movie that came out, the Filler Kill Team, Real Money, did some great coverage about the movie, but the movie versus the Justice Department, Ackman needs to find another entity that can shut this thing down. And I don't know what that entity is, but I also would not, he's a resourceful fellow. Maybe he can find one.
Thank you, Jim. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for TheStreet.